probably seen AI influencers all over social media, and sometimes it's hard to tell what's real and what's not. But the moment a character becomes inconsistent, that's when people instantly spot that it's AI. In this video, you learn the exact framework for building a realistic AI influencer that stays consistent across content. I'll also show you how to make your AI influencer to create viral moment on platforms like Instagram or TikTok, and how to take it a step further using Fanvue. Consistency isn't just about looking realistic, it's about building identity. When your AI influencer maintains the same facial features, visual tone, and overall presence across posts, people begin to recognize it, and recognition builds familiarity. Familiarity builds attention, and attention builds an audience. Once you have that attention, you have options. You can create short-form content for platforms like Instagram or TikTok. Integrate products naturally into visuals.
Not me wearing my inner child on my shirt. Look at her, the teddy, the hearts, the letter. It's giving soft, cozy storybook vibes. This isn't just a design, it's a whole feeling.
And establish a clear niche presence.
But relying only on social platforms means relying on algorithms. So if you want to take things a step further,
I found Fanvue. Fanvue is a subscription platform designed for creators to share exclusive content directly with their audience while keeping control over their content. Instead of depending entirely on social media algorithms, creators can offer additional content to followers who want deeper access to their brand. Fanvue includes features like monthly subscriptions, pay-to-view content, tips, and direct messaging, giving creators multiple ways to connect with their audience. This works especially well for AI influencers because once you've built attention and consistency on platforms like Instagram or TikTok, you can guide your most engaged followers to a space where they can support your work more directly. If you'd like a detailed PDF that explains this entire setup step by step, you can find the link in the description or the pinned comment. Now, in order to create an AI influencer that stays convincing, I tested several tools to solve this, but many were either too basic, didn't deliver the level of quality I needed, or weren't specifically built for influencer-style content. What worked best for me was Topview.ai. Topview.ai is an AI-powered video creation tool that turns simple inputs like an idea, image, or product link into fully edited videos. Instead of scripting, recording, and editing everything manually, the platform helps generate structure, voiceovers, captions, and AI avatars. Now for this video, I will be using the motion capture feature to animate my character. But first, we need to create the AI influencer. The first step is writing a prompt. I asked ChatGPT to generate a prompt for my AI influencer, and it gave me this. I copied this into Topview.ai and selected image generation. I used the Nano Banana AI model, passed it the prompt, and generated the result. One useful feature inside Topview, AI allows you to generate the same character from multiple angles, which helps improve realism and consistency. To maintain consistent results, I used the character swap feature inside the image section. I uploaded my AI influencer as the base character, then selected different target images, either from the platform's board or from my own generated images. This allowed me to keep the same identity while placing the character in different scenes. Another helpful feature is image editing. I went back to the image section, selected edit image, and entered a prompt to change the outfit while keeping the same facial identity. Now that the AI influencer was ready and customizable, it was time to animate her. I selected motion capture, uploaded a reference video from TikTok, and combined it with my AI influencer. This allowed me to create a dance-style video using the same consistent character. Another advantage of having an AI influencer is the ability to integrate product designs naturally. For example, if I want my influencer to wear a specific design on her top, I first create an AI influencer wearing a plain top using a simple edit prompt. Then I upload both the influencer image and the product design into ChatGPT and ask it to position the design naturally onto the shirt. After that, I return to Topview. AI, select image to video, upload the edited image, choose the AI model, enter my prompt, and generate the final result.
Not me wearing my inner child on my shirt. Look at her, the teddy, the hearts, the letter. It's giving soft, cozy storybook vibes. This isn't just a design, it's a whole feeling.
As you can see, it's possible to create an AI influencer that feels consistent and realistic, have them interact with your designs, and use social platforms to guide interested viewers toward platforms like Fanvue for exclusive content. I hope this helped you understand the importance of building a strong foundation when starting your own AI influencer. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.